Forming an LLC is a crucial step for many business owners, providing legal protection and potential tax advantages. Online legal service platforms like Rocket Lawyer offer a seemingly convenient and often more affordable alternative to hiring a traditional attorney for this process. However, determining if Rocket Lawyer is good for your specific LLC formation requires a nuanced understanding of its services and limitations. Rocket Lawyer streamlines the LLC formation process through an online interface. Here's a breakdown of the typical steps involved. Information gathering. You'll be prompted to answer a series of questions about your business. This includes the desired name of your LLC, the principal business address, the names and addresses of the members' owners, and the selection of a registered agent, an individual or entity authorized to receive legal and official documents on behalf of your LLC. Document generation. Based on the information you provide, Rocket Lawyer automatically generates the necessary formation documents, primarily the Articles of Organization or Certificate of Formation, depending on your state. These documents are essential for officially establishing your LLC with the relevant state authority. Filing instructions. Rocket Lawyer provides instructions on how to file these documents with your state's Secretary of State or equivalent agency. They may offer the option to handle the filing on your behalf for an additional fee. Operating agreement. While not always mandated by the state, an operating agreement is a critical internal document outlining the ownership structure, management responsibilities, profit and loss allocation, and other crucial aspects of how your LLC will operate. Rocket Lawyer typically provides a template for this document. Additional services. Rocket Lawyer often offers supplementary services such as obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS, which is necessary if your LLC will hire employees or operate as a multi-member LLC or corporation for tax purposes. They may also offer ongoing legal support through subscription plans. Is it good? Considerations for beginners. For beginners, Rocket Lawyer can present several advantages. Cost effectiveness. Their pricing is generally lower than engaging a traditional lawyer for basic LLC formation. Convenience. The online platform allows you to complete the process at your own pace and from any location. Guided process. The questionnaire format simplifies the information gathering stage, making it accessible for those unfamiliar with legal terminology. However, it's crucial to acknowledge potential drawbacks. Lack of personalized legal advice. Rocket Lawyer provides legal documents and processes, but does not offer tailored legal advice specific to your unique business circumstances. A lawyer can analyze your situation, identify potential legal complexities, and advise on the best course of action. Standardized documents. The generated documents are based on templates and may not fully address the specific needs or complexities of your business. DIY responsibility. While Rocket Lawyer guides you, you are ultimately responsible for ensuring the accuracy of the information provided and for understanding the implications of the documents. Understand your business complexity. If your business structure is straightforward and you have a basic understanding of LLC fundamentals, Rocket Lawyer can be a viable and cost-effective option. However, if your business involves complex ownership structures, multiple partners with intricate agreements, or operates in a highly regulated industry, seeking personalized legal counsel from an attorney is strongly recommended. A lawyer can provide tailored advice and ensure your LLC is structured to best protect your interests and comply with all applicable regulations.